all about daily nutrition. Our daily diet should include intake of macronutrients and micronutrients. Macronutrients are required in large amount to our body. These are carbohydrates, proteins, fats, dietary fibers, and water. Micronutrients are required in a small amount. Vitamins and minerals. Role of macronutrients. Carbs, proteins, and fats. They provide structural material and energy to our body. Our body made up of water more than 62% of our body weight. Water regulate body temperature and also help to maintain various bodily functions. Dietary fiber, they relieve in constipation, helping waste to move smoothly throughout the body. Proteins are made up of amino acids. Body needs 20 amino acids, of which 9 are essential. Means we have to take these 9 amino acids on daily basis in our diet. A cup of milk has 10 grams protein. Body daily need is 0.8 gram of protein per kg of our body weight. So, amino acid is building block of our body from which body proteins are built. Protein foods, examples: beans, nuts, legumes, and dairy products. Well, animal protein foods are meat, eggs, and fish. We should involve variety of protein source in our diet to fulfill requirement of all essential amino acids. Fat. The type of fat we eat is very important. Good fat, that is mono or polyunsaturated fat, obtained from nuts, seeds, oils such as olive oil, sunflower oil, peanut oil, and fatty fish. Well, bad fat is saturated fat found in full fat dairy products and meat. Trans fat, this is man-made, formed by hydrogenation of mono or polyunsaturated fatty acids. Trans fat intake should be close to zero. Fats are made up of fatty acids and glycerol. Essential fatty acids are omega-3 fatty acid and omega-6 fatty acid. We have to take on daily basis in our diet. From fats, body make cell membrane and some signaling molecules, prostaglandins, hormones. Micronutrients, vitamins, and minerals. They boost our immune system, support normal growth and development, help cells and organs to do their jobs. Recommended daily calorie or energy intake. How much calorie we should take on daily basis? An average person needs about 2000 calories every day. That depends on age, sex, height, and weight. We can get calories from macronutrients, proteins, carbohydrates, and fats. 1 gram of carbs provide 4 calories. 1 gram of protein also provide 4 calories. Well, 1 gram of fat provide 9 calories. 45 to 65% of calories should be from carbohydrates daily. That means 210 to 290 gram of carbohydrate we should take per day. 10 to 30% of our calories should be from protein, means 50 to 145 gram protein per day. 20 to 35% of our calories should be from fat, means 40 to 65 gram fat per day we should take. Carbs do quickest energy supply. If you need quick energy, you should take carbohydrates. While fat do slowest energy supply, slowly release energy. What to eat for a balanced diet? A balanced diet is very essential for a healthy body. Vitamins, minerals, carbohydrates including fiber, proteins, and healthy fats. We should take these by including a variety of foods in daily diet. Fruits, vegetables, grains, dairy, protein foods. Foods to avoid or should be in limited amount. Highly processed foods, refined grains, added sugar and salt, red and processed meat, alcohols. We should avoid these foods, and also we should avoid trans fats in fat composition. So, include healthy foods in your diet to keep it balanced. By this way, stay away from diseases. Thank you. If you find this video informative or it get aware, subscribe our channel for more such informative videos.